Ever stumbled on a website called Brook Toronto and wondered, wait, is this legit or am I about to get scammed? Well, as of March 2026, there isn't any big, trustworthy company officially named Brook Toronto. But hold up, there are a few similar-sounding businesses you might actually run into. Let me break it down. First, there's Brook Tech. It's a trading and financial services site. Trustpilot gives them a 3.6 out of 5, which sounds okay, but digital experts say their authority online is kinda weak. That's a red flag for any financial service. Next, Brisbane Brook Bainon Architects. Totally legit. They're an established firm in downtown Toronto, real office, real projects. Not BBB accredited, but that's normal for their kind of business. Now here's where things get sketchy. Some online stores like Taylor Toronto or Laura Toronto have been called out for selling super cheap, low-quality clothes and making returns a nightmare. If you see too good to be true deals and tons of complaints about getting ghosted, watch out. So, how can you protect yourself? If a site's promising guaranteed returns on investments, run. Legit companies never promise risk-free profits. And if you feel pressured to buy now or miss out, that's classic scammer behavior. Do your homework. Check if they're registered with the right provincial regulators. Use Toronto's 3111 service to see if there are any complaints. And always read reviews on independent sites like Trustpilot or the BBB, not just the glowing testimonials pasted on their own webpage. Bottom line, if you can't find solid info about Brook Toronto or their deals sound suspicious, trust your gut. Better safe than sorry.